Alright, had to film Jordan a little bit here. Swimming in the ocean here at the in Puerto Vallarta here. He doesn't remember going. He doesn't remember being at the ocean when he was younger. Now, he's swimming. It's a whole nother experience swimming in the ocean. Robert, Doug, Nar, Carlota with our perro, Buster, who hasn't been feeling good. We've been praying for him, asking Jesus to heal him. He's been throwing up a lot, and he was doing it before he came down, but it seems like every day he's been throwing up, and we've got him something that's supposed to help, but he's not eating much. It's just a beautiful beach.
Here, baby. Take him.
Why?
Here, babe, take him. Why? She wants him to get cool because he's hot.
And
Hey, Jordan! Yeah. Come here. Okay. Come here. He's gonna be red. Hurry up. Take Buster and give him a little dip. Seriously? Are you being serious? All right.